Today is one of our very favorite traditions, the Plant Appreciation Picnic, and we're down in Clarksville, Tennessee. And it is a really special chance to just express to everybody that works in the plant how much their work is appreciated.
Really, it's just our chance to be able to say thanks to the incredible work and effort that's gone on by so many in making it get to this point and the culmination of getting over the hurdle. So this is a party to celebrate.
It's a give back, it's a thank you to all the people at the plant for everything that they do, because it takes so much to do a yearbook. I mean, these schools do their part, the reps do their part, but then it just kind of comes in and then it magically appears. And it's not magic, it's so many people working so hard.
Today is a special day for me. I was here this morning at 5 for the breakfast group, and I think we served about 130 people that worked a night shift breakfast. And then lunch is going to happen about 11:30.
At Jostens, we're all about tradition and family, and today's one of the best days of the year because we get to come up here and cook for the plant personnel that takes care of us all year. Where else do you get the opportunity to cook 50 pounds of sausage and 400 pounds of Boston butts in a day?
This is what makes our memories, is coming in, working together, doing all this stuff, fun stuff together. It makes me very happy to be a part of this Jostens family. Every year we pick a theme. This year we picked the theme, the road trip.
A lot of the fun stuff today that we're getting to do. We're having our raffle where you can win prizes. We've had the photo booth. I've been up there a whole lot, and it sort of takes away some of the stress of the busy season, and it gives everybody just a chance to just enjoy each other and everybody's fellowship.
30 plus years of doing this job, you make friendships that are special. Coming here every year just renews those friendships and shows what teamwork can do.
To be a part of the Jostens family is a complete honor. I mean, to be part of the #1 yearbook company and publisher in the world, it's a very select group of people.
I've been part of the Jostens family for 25 years. And these are people, these are friends they're more than friends. They really are family. They really are. It's like no other place in the world. It is family, the best family.
Well, without the plant and without the work that's done here in Clarksville, we would not have a job. Everything revolves around the quality of the product that we deliver to the schools. And I know and feel confident that the quality and care that goes into the work that happens here is going to make me look good when those yearbooks arrive.
I spent 40 years working for Jostens, and I would not have lasted 40 years had I not believed in the product. We always stress those words, quality. It's always been just a perfect product as humans can make it.
I just want to say thank you to all the plant, everybody who's involved from the top to the bottom for working through the process. Thank you so much for just being there all the time, no matter what.
To each and every one of you doing the work, thank you for making every book special.
Thank you, every single one of you, for everything you do, for all the hours, for all the care, for all the time. We love you and we appreciate you. Thank you so much.
I just look forward to coming back every year, telling these folks how much I still appreciate what they did for me, what they do for reps all over the country, and the sacrifice they make on a daily basis to put pictures on pages and stories, memories for kids that'll last a lifetime. Thanks a bunch.